you see anything different about me? Very subtle. I've done this side of my face and I've not done this side of my face. Well, I've done my eyelids with Lid Lift Enhance, but I'm going to show you a couple of products that really helps lift and brighten your face area and give you a natural glow. So first of all, I'm going to do the other side of my cheeks with HTG. This looks bright, but as you can see, it isn't bright on the skin. I'm going to do it very, very soft and subtle, and I'm wearing it slightly higher than I used to. Now that I'm 46, I feel like my blusher works better for me when it's higher up on my face. Then I'm going to go with Peach Moonstone, which is a very, very pale shade, and often I'll just use that, but today I just fancied a little bit of pink just to give it a little bit more of a lovely warm glow. Then I'm going to show you how I lifted these brows. Look at that. So this brow product comes in 3 shades. I think I'm using brown today. And I like to use black quite often because I like my brows really, really cool. But today I'm going to go for a little bit of warmth. If you've got some hairs, it will work. If you have no hairs, it won't work. And it's very, very easy. It covers greys. It's lovely and natural. And it's just so easy to do. And it just makes, I mean, just look, it's easy, quick, and it makes such a big difference, and it will cover your greys. Next, I'm going to show you lashes. Look at the difference. So when I got into my 40s, my hair on my head and my lashes just started to get thinner and finer. So these 2 products, it's a lash kit. This is code VLM, Volumising Lengthening Mascara. It will upgrade your lashes before you apply any mascara, and it'll work under any mascara, but I'm going to show you just how great it is with our VLM. So it looks like it's doing nothing. When you first put it on and you're like, doesn't do anything, looks really dry in the brush, feels a bit empty. It's not, it's full. It should be dry. That's what allows it to work so well. It doesn't clump, it doesn't smudge, it doesn't flake. It gives you that volume. So you're supposed to let it dry for about 30 seconds. I'm just going to go in and show you. I'm going in with brown today. So VLM in brown, blue and black are the shades that we have. Brown and blue are the newest shades, and they are absolutely fabulous if you want a slightly softer look. So if I'm going out at night, I'll probably wear black for that extra oomph. But during the day, I love this brown for a lovely soft finish. And likewise with the blue, it just gives me, it's very subtle, so it's not a bright blue. It just gives you something a little bit different. So this brown has just a gorgeous warmth to it. We all get it on our lids, don't we? I don't know how not to get it on my lids, to be honest, especially when you can't see what you're doing as you get older. And so you only need 1 coat for it to really look like this. I mean, just look at the difference. It comes off really easy with a water-based cleanser. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's got gorgeous conditioning ingredients, so it really helps take care of your lashes. And just look at that, quick, easy, simple. Read the reviews and tell me what you think.